Scrap wooden planters have emerged as a popular crafting project that not only promotes creativity, but also serves practical purposes, whether for personal use or profit. The beauty of creating planters from scrap wood lies in the material's versatility, the range of design possibilities, and the opportunity to embrace sustainability by repurposing what might otherwise be discarded. The process begins with identifying suitable scrap wood sources. This could include leftover pieces from previous woodworking projects, pallets, or even old furniture that no longer serves its original purpose. By utilizing these remnants, crafters not only reduce waste, but also add character and uniqueness to each planter, as every piece of wood has its own history and patina that can enhance the final product's aesthetic. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of scrap wooden planters crafts project ideas for profit or for personal use. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. When embarking on the journey of creating scrap wooden planters, the design possibilities are virtually limitless. One can explore a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from traditional rectangular boxes to more whimsical and organic forms that mimic the natural contours of plants themselves. For instance, a rectangular planter can be converted into a shallow window box that beautifies a home's exterior while providing ample space for herbs or flowering plants. Alternatively, circular planters can offer a stunning display when placed on a patio, drawing attention to vibrant blooms. Beyond traditional shapes, the creative integration of different wood types can form visually striking combinations, highlighting the diverse colors and grains inherent to each type, resulting in eye-catching pieces that express the uniqueness of the materials used. For those aiming to profit from crafting scrap wooden planters, understanding market trends and customer preferences is paramount. Gardeners and plant enthusiasts often seek stylish, yet functional planters that fit their aesthetics and spatial needs. Capitalizing on this demand, crafters can design planters that complement various styles, such as rustic, modern, or minimalistic. For example, a rustic-style planter made from reclaimed barn wood can evoke a sense of charm and nostalgia, appealing to those who appreciate vintage aesthetics. On the other hand, sleek, modern planters that feature clean lines and a smooth finish can attract individuals looking to enhance their contemporary interiors. Researching local markets, attending craft fairs, and utilizing social media platforms can help gauge popular designs and colors while providing a platform to showcase one's work and connect with potential customers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. From a profitability perspective, scrap wooden planters can be marketed in various ways, tapping into different customer segments. Offering customizable options can also enhance appeal. Customers may appreciate the ability to choose sizes, finishes, and even engraved personalization, allowing them to create unique gifts for garden lovers or thoughtful housewarming presents. Setting up an online store or leveraging e-commerce platforms can expand reach beyond local markets, providing opportunities to share products with a broader audience. Additionally, collaborating with local garden centers or shops can create mutually beneficial partnerships to showcase crafted planters, increasing visibility while contributing to the small business community. Creating scrap wooden planters for personal use can be equally rewarding, as the project allows for experimentation without the pressure of commercial viability. Designing planters for one's home enables a personalized touch that reflects individual tastes and living spaces. For example, aligning the planter's design with the overall decor style can bring cohesion to a room. A well-designed planter can serve as a statement piece, drawing attention to indoor plants and providing a focal point in a living room or dining area. Customizing planters with paint, finishes, or additional embellishments such as stencils or carvings can further personalize these creations. This hands-on approach fosters a sense of accomplishment, as the planter not only serves a practical purpose, nurturing plants and enhancing spaces, but also embodies the creativity and labor invested in its creation. Aside from aesthetics and personalization, the functionality of scrap wooden planters is noteworthy. Depending on the size and construction, these planters can accommodate a variety of plants, from vibrant flowers to robust herbs and vegetables. For those seeking an edible garden, creating raised bed planters from scrap wood can elevate gardening experiences by providing accessible growing spaces that minimize bending and back strain. Additionally, incorporating drainage systems or liners within the planters ensures that plants receive appropriate moisture levels, further enhancing their growth potential. By constructing durable planters that can withstand the elements, crafters ensure the longevity of their creations, allowing both personal and profit-driven endeavors to flourish year after year. Emphasizing the environmental benefits of using scrap wood for planters can also resonate with eco-conscious consumers. As the world grapples with sustainability challenges, creating wooden crafts that minimize waste contributes positively to the environment. Promoting these eco-friendly attributes can create an additional marketing angle for crafters looking to profit from their creations. Highlighting the use of reclaimed or upcycled materials not only appeals to those who prioritize sustainability, but also helps cultivate a broader awareness of eco-friendly practices within the community. Experimentation with various designs and techniques can further enhance the allure of scrap wooden planters. Incorporating innovative construction methods, such as combining joinery techniques with creative shapes, can elevate standard designs into artistic expressions. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for scrap wooden planters crafts project ideas for profit or for personal use. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.